guys, we are going to go on a boat trip. Yes, but the boat did not reach yet, so we're going to be waiting here for a few minutes, and then the boat will reach. Oh, look, it's coming. Oh yeah, I'm excited. We're going to be going on it, and it's going to take us 15 minutes, and then we're going to reach back. You have to stay behind. Bye. Bye.
Yo.
Come guys, we're gonna go to a boat trip. Yeah. Are we meant to wear this now? Yes. What? Oh my God, I'm sitting on here. Wait, I'm gonna take off my bag. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. How do I close this? Oh, I do not know why it's so big. We just got on the boat. Yeah, right now, they're gonna take off any minute. Look how nice the water is. Look, and there's another boat over there. I just wonder where this round is only gonna take 15 minutes. So we're gonna try to have as much fun as we can.